Hey guys, welcome back into the video, and in this video we're going to be going over how to make a website in Python. So what the website we're going to be making is going to have a back end and a front end. So what the back end is going to be is going to have a database. It is going to manage everything like the username, the login, authentication, and the front end is just going to display like the forms, the home page, the navigation bar. So what we're going to use for this project in the back end is Flask as well as SQLite for the database. And then what we're going to be using for the front end is just HTML and CSS. So to get started, I'm using IntelliJ here. You can use your favorite IDE of your choice. And then once you're in a project, you want to go here, new, and create a Python file. I'm just going to name this main.py. After that, we're just going to import our libraries. And then to import Flask, we have to type from Flask. From Flask import star. What this does is it goes to Flask and imports everything from that library. The second thing we're gonna need to do is import SQLite. Now I spelled import wrong. Now if you don't have these packages downloaded, you can just pip install in your terminal and then the package name. So pip install Flask or pip install SQLite. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to set up Flask. First, what you're going to want to do is just define your app. You can name this app equals Flask underscore name underscore. This just initializes the Flask app, and then after this we're going to just say app dot run. This just runs the app. So if we run it right now, it'll just give us an error because we have nothing defined inside here. So to define our first page in our website, we're gonna have to say @app.route and then define the route. So just slash is just the default route. So when the user will open the website, this is the first page that they'll come to. Now we're gonna define a Python function, name this home, and then we can say return render template home.html. So as you can see, we return home.html, but we don't have a file called home.html defined yet. So what we're gonna do is go into our folder, make a new directory, name this templates, and inside this templates we're gonna create a new file, HTML file, call it home. So this just gives me the basic HTML already. I'm just gonna name this tutorial. And then in the body, I'm just gonna type in with H1. I'm gonna type in hello world. If you don't know what this is, you can go over to my Python course. It's gonna be linked in the comments. Also, you can go on my channel and view that out. So what this basically does is H1. This is just a big heading tag, and you can see these texts in big letters. So now if you run this, it should return us hello world. Run this, and you want to click on this link. This is the default port and or link that you just click to run on, and then as you can see, it says hello world. So now in the next video, we're going to be going over how to make a registration as well as login form, and then store those values in a database so you can access them for later use. And that'll be all done in the next video. Thanks for staying tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.